In this video tutorial, we are not going to use the PC. We will use three methods completely without a PC. If the first one doesn't work for you, the second one will work. If the second one doesn't work for you, it will work the third one, which is very complex. What are we going to do? We are going to The first method without a PC would be to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time while touching the screen. When the device restarts, we release the volume down button holding the volume up button. We are going to release volume down button holding the volume up. When the logo starts, we release the power button. And that way, we can enter recovery mode. This would be the first option to enter our recovery mode. What will the second method be? The second method would be, we're going to restart it to explain how that second method would be. The second method consists of using what is a television. We are going to use a TV to enter recovery mode. But, well,
What are we going to do here? We are going to connect our USB cable to our TV to use this other method. We connect the USB cable to our TV. Done. Having said that, after it's connected,
that we are going to use this method. Well, now that we connected we connect the USB cable to our TV, we are going to insert it. We'll insert the TV. Yes, this would be the second method, but we also have another method which is number 3, and it is easier than this one. Then we press the same power button, volume down button at the same time we touch the screen. When the device restarts, we release the volume down button holding the volume up 1. Once we hold those two buttons, when the logo starts, we are going to release the power button. We are going to wait for the logo to start. Now let's release the power button and hold the volume up to enter recovery mode. That said, this would be the second method to enter recovery mode, but we're going to restart. We restart it and we'll explain the third method. The third method is very easy. It is very simple. Now these devices, what are we going to do? Since our device is, they already come by default with, they come with these USB-C cables. These USB-C cables and the new devices already include them by default. If method 1 doesn't work for you and method 2 also didn't work, with this third method, what are we going to do? Well, we'll explain now. What we're going to do is have another additional device, but first we're going to insert the USB cable here into this first one, and then we're going to connect it here in the second one. You can see it has already recognized it. This one will be the one that recognized it as a charger. So what are we going to do? We will do the same method. We press the power button, volume down button, touch the screen. When the device restarts, we release the volume down button holding the volume 1 up, and we're also going to wait for our device to show the logo. When the logo appears, we'll release the power button holding only the volume up. We'll hold it, we'll wait for it to start. We wait for it to start, and that's it. As you can see, we press here where it says wipe data factory reset with the power button. We scroll down and select where it says restore factory settings. As you can see, this is quick. That said, what we are going to do now is select the first option that says reboot system now. This is so our device can restart, and we will just wait for our device to restart. Well, now that our device has restarted, what we are going to do is configure it. But if you get stuck with a Google account, with a security account, in the video description and comments we have methods to solve it.